Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my brother Rolando.
Hi.
Today I'll be doing his makeup. And we're gonna get started, but before that, I'll be putting the song of the week or the song I've been liking, and it's Me Fascina by Juan de Dios Pantoja. Now you dance. Nomás un ratito.
Are you gonna show this in the video?
Yeah.
Looks like this.
We have the products here that I'm gonna be using, and we're gonna get started. And I'm gonna be doing his makeup the way I do my makeup. So how I do it, I do my eyebrows first, and then my eyes, and then my foundation. And that's how I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna do his eyebrows first. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Ulta Brow Pencil. That was so annoying. Okay, so now we're gonna be cleaning it up with the Artistry Perfecting Concealer, and we're also gonna prep the eyes. We're gonna be doing his his eyes with the Morphe palette with the 35F. And we're gonna start with these two colors right here. Close your eyes. And then on this, we're gonna be asking you questions. Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
You don't? Do you like someone?
No.
Liar. I know you do. Nanis, have you kissed a girl?
Yes.
Have?
Yes.
When?
When was your first kiss, Majority?
When was that?
When was yours?
Oh, my first kiss?
Yeah, when was yours?
When I was 15, bro. Okay, so you're gonna be putting this color, this burgundy.
What's yours?
Eh? Oh, what else do you want me to ask you?
The one was making up the questions. So this color.
It's that color. It looks. Bueno, ahorita te lo voy a componer. So we're gonna add the black. Do you want it super black or just a little bit?
I'm fine, how it is. Want you?
Hazte más para acá. What do you want? Or you want me to ask you questions?
I guess. But really in the beginning, huh?
It looks better. I can't see you. I mean, I can't see your eye.
Good.
Yes?
Do you do your makeup first and then choose an outfit, or do you choose an outfit first and then do your makeup?
I do my makeup first and then choose the outfit. So we're gonna be using this Artistry long wearing liquid liner to do the wing liner. Like nobody's eye. It's gonna do, it's gonna come out good. I'm gonna do a big wing liner. Why are you looking? Okay, so we're gonna be moving to the face now, and then we're gonna go back to the eyes. because we're gonna be using the Artistry Youth Extend Foundation. Before the foundation, I'll be putting some primer, even though I don't want to be wasting it on him, but
I want pizza.
Oh yeah, speed it. Yeah, because it's gonna take way too long.
24.
Then he's gonna picture you too dark. No, it's probably okay because you're dark from your face because you get burned from the sun because you walk too much.
Yes.
Yeah. Just have to blend it. Massage. This is like the darkest foundation I have, and it's dark on me, so it looks white on you. Huh? Looks flawless. It looks like a baby's body. I'm just kidding. It looks like a doll's face, like a porcelain doll. But que so I could hide your ojera. You don't. You see that? Like we're using to set it, we're gonna be using the powder, the translucent powder from Artistry. So this is gonna set everything. So now we're gonna put the bronze, elf's bronze.
You should do more like challenges.
He's not shy, so well, yeah, he is kind of. Skinny. I can do the other side better.
You do it?
Yeah.
Why? Haciendo a mí.
Yeah. That's why we don't have it. We don't have like a part of our face that we don't like, or that we like weird, because we're so used to like seeing. Go with the Milani Color Romance Rose.
I was just doing it so I could see the thing.
Because there's something. Go with the highlighter. The highlighter and Wet and Wild to highlight the nose. Yeah. Here on the bone, cheekbone, and we do it right here too. Do your good side. Put some on your forehead. You put some right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to his eyes because we're done with his face. Oh, look up. Up. The Rimmel London mascara for his lashes. Look down.
Oh, wait, I was looking down.
Like, don't look too down, but look down. Like, kind of look that way. Look up. The lips, not the mouth. And that's going to be the last step because he's already frustrated. A little bit. Hope I line it good because why do you have these perfect? I don't.
You would need to.
It's a matte lipstick from this brand.
You would need to, you know, if you were to take that anywhere, like you go swim stuff, you don't want to mess with makeup, you need all your makeup to be waterproof.
I know.
Or just put that on.
It smells good. Smells like grape. No, like grape? Or what is it? No. I'm gonna take some pictures, okay? Yeah. Close your eye. Close your eye. Like, kind of look up though. Close them right. Like long. I see. They look weird, but yeah. This is how. So this is gonna be it for the video. This is how he looks. How he turned out. Close your eye. Ooh. Look at that highlight. What do you want? What do you have to say about it? Do you like it?
I'm never doing this again. It's like a long process and like, oh.
Okay, so that's gonna be everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, like, comment, subscribe. What else?
Don't share it.
Don't share it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna share it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. How did it look?
Mami, ayúdame. No. Ayúdame, papi.
Look at him, Rolando.
What?
He